Welcome back to my channel. The first thing we need to do here is simple. Let us bring this x to the other side. So we have plus x is equal to 20. You need to have in-depth knowledge of algebra and manipulations to get this. So let's add 500 to both sides. Add 500 to both sides. X plus 500 to the power of 3 plus x plus 500 is equal to 20 plus 500. Okay, now did you notice anything? We have x plus 500 here and x plus 500 here. Now let x plus 500 be equal to y. So if we say let x plus 500 be equal to y, that means this equation becomes y to the power of 3 plus y is equal to 20 plus 500 is 520. If this is the first time you have seen this channel, please click the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos. We upload our videos as often as possible. Tune in at your convenience. There must be something new for you to watch. Thank you very much. So at this point, let us transfer this to this side. So we have y to the power of 3 plus y, take away 520 is equal to 0. Now, I want us to notice something. We can manipulate this. Yes. You are going to see why. So I have y to the power of 3 plus y. This 520 is the same thing as 512 plus 8. Okay. So we have 512 and 8. Minus 520 is the same thing as minus 512 minus 8. Okay. Is equal to 0. Let's continue. We have y to the power of 3 plus y minus this is same thing as 8 to the power of 3. Okay. Take away 8 is equal to 0. Now let's bring this to this side. Y to the power of 3 take away 8 to the power of 3. Then plus y take away 8. Alright. Is equal to 0. Now the next thing we have this, right? Now recall that a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, so we can expand this as y take away 8 multiplied by y squared plus 8 times y, 8y plus 8 squared. Okay, then plus y take away 8 is equal to 0. So you can see we have this and this as a common factor between this and that. Okay, so let's factorize y take away 8. Okay, so we have y take away 8. When this divides, the whole of this divides this and this, so we are left with this, right? Y squared plus 8y plus 8 squared is 64. Okay, now when this is divided by this, we have 1, so plus 1 is equal to 0. Moving forward, we have y take away 8 bracket y squared plus 8y plus 65 is equal to 0. Moving forward, okay, moving forward, now we want to write where we wrote let x plus 500 equals y. So I'll write this somewhere. X plus 500 is equal to y because I will still need it. Okay. Now we have from here, permit me to clean these ones as well. I don't need them anymore. Okay. So from here, we can say that y minus 8 equals 0. And that the whole of this is also equal to 0. Y squared plus 8y plus 65 is also equal to 0. So if we transfer negative 8 to the other side, we have y equals 8. And here, we can do another manipulation here. Okay, remember we are not looking for y, we're actually looking for x, but we'll get to that. Okay, so here we have y squared plus 8y. Now since I'm seeing 8 here, I can bring 64 out here. Minus 64. Okay, that will make it longer. Let's do this. Minus 16 plus 16 plus 49. Yes. This plus this will also give us 65. Okay, is equal to 0. Now moving forward, we will take 49 to the other side. Okay, so we now have y to the power of 2 plus 8y plus 16 is equal to, this we go to the other side to become minus 49. Let me fill this ink, please. Okay, I'm back. So this is negative 49. Oh, the ink is much. Okay, now the next thing should be to okay, now let's manipulate this. So we have y squared plus this same thing as 2 multiplied by y multiplied by 4. Okay, plus this same thing as 4 squared is equal to, this is what, negative 49. Now recall that a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a plus b all squared, right? Right. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if this is your first time. Please like, comment and share. Okay, drop your comment, it means a lot to us. Thank you. So at this point, that means the whole of this is y plus 4, right? So we have y plus 4 squared is equal to negative 49. All right. Take square root of both sides because we need to get y. Take square roots on both sides. So we have square root of y plus 4 squared is equal to the square root of negative 49. Okay, so this, take away this, we have y plus 4 is equal to this same thing as square root of 49 multiplied by square root of negative 1. So we have y plus 4 is equal to 7. Square root of negative 1 is I, plus or minus. Okay, taking this to the other side, we have y is equal to negative 4 plus or minus 7i. Okay, so now we have two values of y equals 8 and y equals negative 4 plus 1. So let me write the other y. Now permit me to clean this because this is when we start looking for the value of our x. So permit me to clean this. All right, now recall, I wrote it here. Recall that x plus 500 is equal to y. Okay, so we have when y is equal to 8, we can say x plus 500 is equal to 8. Okay, so let's transfer this to this side. So we have x equals 8, take away 500. So the first value of x is negative 492. Okay, so we still need the second value of our x. So now when y is equal to negative 4 plus or minus 7i, okay, when y equals negative 4 plus or minus 7i, then remember that y is 8, right? So we have, sorry, y is this. Sorry, at this point, y is this. So we have negative 4 plus or minus 7i is equal to this, x plus 500. Okay. Now, if we transfer this to this side, we have negative 500, negative 4 plus or minus 7i is equal to x. Now, negative 500 minus 4 is minus 504 plus or minus 7i is equal to x. So that simply means that the second value of x, we've gotten the first one, is equal to negative 504 plus 7i, and the third value of x is negative 504 minus 7i, and that's the answer. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.